Welcome to the Math Park, where you learn various math concepts. I am Pip. I live here in this park, and every day I run around collecting things: acorns, pebbles, seeds, pine cones. I love collecting things. So I am standing between two trees and I can see acorns under both of them. Tree 1 has a huge pile of acorns. So many. They are almost making a small mountain. Tree 2 has only a tiny little pile. Just a few acorns sitting quietly in the grass. Which pile has more acorns? Yes, tree 1 has more acorns. That pile is bigger. More acorns. Tree 2 has less acorns. That pile is smaller. Fewer acorns. More and less. And that is exactly what we are going to learn today. More and less. So what does more mean? More means a group that has a bigger number. More objects, more things, a big collection. And less means a group that has a smaller number. Fewer objects, fewer things, a small collection. More and less is always compared between two groups. If you look at these groups, which one is bigger? That one has more. Which one is smaller? That one has less. More, less. Now let's walk through the math park and I will show you more and less everywhere we go. Oh look, butterflies. The first flower has some butterflies resting on it. The second flower also has some butterflies. Which flower has more butterflies? Think. The first flower has more butterflies and the second flower has less butterflies. Well done if you got it right. Oh, pebbles! I love pebbles. Look at how many pebbles are inside the bucket. Which bucket has more pebbles? Bucket 2 has more pebbles. Bucket 1 has less pebbles. Remember, more is always the bigger group. And this one is a buzzy one. Look at the two beehives. Some bees are busy working around each hive. Which hive has more bees? Hive 2 has more bees. Hive 1 has less bees. You are absolutely brilliant. Now your turn. Compare the two groups shown on screen and tell which group has more and which has less. Compare these groups of pencils. Which has more pencils? Group 1 has more pencils. Group 2 has less pencils. Now compare these groups. Which one has more books? Group 1 has more and Group 2 has less. See these cute toys. Which group has more toys? Group 2 has more toys and Group 1 has less toys. You are so good at this. I hope you enjoyed learning more and less with me. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a Math Park adventure. That's all for now. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.